Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, again 9 minus 3 is equal to also 6. Now 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this question by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. First priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Last and fourth priority is addition and subtraction, also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now in this problem, first we have to solve parentheses. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 9 minus 3, now solve this parenthesis, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Now here is a subtraction and here also is a multiplication. Okay. So first priority is multiplication according to the PEMDAS. Then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So 9 minus, now 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. So 9 minus 18 is equal to minus 9. So the correct answer is minus 9. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.